Higher traces of red tide suggest a blooming problem for the Suncoast, but not so fast. SNN local news reporter Jim Spivak talks to health experts and puts it all in perspective.
Over the past about a week, we've seen some elevated cell concentrations, just slightly above background.
With new traces of red tide cells found in waters along area beaches, health experts and scientists at Mote Marine are ramping up their monitoring efforts.
Normally background concentrations are below about 1,000 cells per liter. And lately we've been seeing them in the tens of thousands per liter.
Experts say those counts are low for now and that a bloom is defined when they see cells in the millions per liter. But they also caution things can always change, and they can change quickly.
Right now the weather conditions are actually favorable. When the wind starts swinging around to onshore, that's when it brings it closer to shore and people might start seeing some effects.
Experts say even when small traces of cells are found, those with certain medical conditions can still be drastically affected.
People with asthma, obviously they could have some problems breathing, going to affect their lungs, sinuses. It can be just like you're having hay fever, and it can last even after you leave the beach.
Officials say tracking red tide and its effects can be difficult because so much of the research is based on what the weather is doing.
The satellite information we haven't been able to get right now to see if there is anything else offshore that we should be concerned about, but we're hoping that the skies will clear and we'll get better satellite data.
Mote has set their robot tracer to sea to track data, and they are sailing on several cruises to continue monitoring.
We also have a contingency plan in case we do see elevated numbers to do an event response cruise if it becomes necessary.
Reporting in Sarasota, Jim Spivak, SNN Local News.
The last time Sarasota County had a full red tide bloom was in 2006. Now you can check beach conditions on mote.org/beaches. Mote updates the reporting system twice a day.